Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Ibrar and you are watching Learn Farsi with Ibrar YouTube channel. Today I am very happy to announce that I am going to start Persian language course in English language. I will teach you the spoken version of Persian language in English. In this way you can easily understand the Persian language rather than the grammatical method. So let's start our video. Today I will teach you few sentences of Persian language. Our first sentence is Salam, man Parsa hastam, isme tu chiye? Hi, I'm Parsa. What's your name? Here, man means I am. Isme tu means what's your name. Tu is a pronoun and chiye means what. Yani what's your name? Second sentence. Salam Parsa, isme man Fernando's. Tu Irani hasti. Hi Parsa, my name's Fernando. Are you Iranian? Isme man means my name. Fernadost means Fernando. Tu Irani hasti means are you Iranian? Next one. Are tu ahle kujai. Are means yes, okay. Yeah, there are few more meanings of are. Tu ahle kujai. Where are you from? من اهل اسپانیا هستم و در گالیسیا زندگی می کنم. I am from Spain and I live in Galicia. من اهل اسپانیا هستم means I am from Spain و در گالیسیا زندگی می کنم and I live in Galicia. Next one. چه جالب. How interesting. فارسی تو خوبه. Your Persian is nice, or you can say فارسی تو خیلی خوبه means your Persian is very nice. از کجا یادش گرفتی? Where have you learned it from? من دوستان ایرانی زیادی دارم means I have many Iranian friends. Next one. حالا منم یکی از دوستات هستم. حالا منم یکی از دوستات هستم means now I am a friend of yours too. Hala means now. Manam I am. Yaki means one. As dostat hastam your friend means I am a friend of yours too. Mamnunam it means thanks in Persian. Khahish mikonam it means you're welcome. When someone says Mamnunam, you can say Khahish mikonam. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do subscribe to this channel and also write some comments in the comment section below. If you need any help, you can ask me anytime, or you can also join my Telegram and WhatsApp group if you want, where I regularly post Persian lessons in English language. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.